Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got the most gorgeous little bag to show you today. Everything about this bag is just perfect. It's a Saint Laurent Loulou mini puffer. It is the size toy and this leather is incredible. It's my favourite colour and you can see it's got that lovely pillowy texture to it and it's super smooth and soft. And I love the quilting, I love the shape, I love the size, I just love everything about it. So we've got an envelope flap closure and it's got that YSL badge on the front. And this colour combination as well of the leather and the hardware is just perfect. I think green and gold is one of the most gorgeous colour combinations, and it's kind of like an antique-y, almost brassy looking gold as well, which is really nice. I'll open this flap closure up. So we've got leather on that flap on the interior, and then the main bag has a fabric lining, and we've just got one zipped pocket inside there, and then on the other side we've got two card slots. So we've got one here, and then we've got one more card slot there, and you can see it's got a little false card insert in there as well. So the condition of it, it is perfect. If the bag wasn't already perfect enough, it is in a perfect condition as well. We've called it excellent all around because it has no wear to it at all. It is pretty much as new. And I'll just show you it all again so you can see how gorgeous that condition is. All that hardware is perfect. You can see it's even still got the seal on it there, and the interior again is just perfect. So that is why we've called it excellent all around. It comes with the Saint Laurent dust bag, and then we've got a Browns dust bag as well. We also have the Saint Laurent box and the Saint Laurent envelope. Inside here we've got a few bits. So we've got that little product card, and then we also have an RFID booklet and a care booklet too, and then attached to this strap we've got a Browns tag as well. So it's in a perfect condition, it is the perfect colour, perfect leather, and it comes with its box and its dust bag and everything as well, so it would make a gorgeous little gift. I know if somebody got this as a gift for me, I would definitely love it. But it's nice that it comes with all those bits because it does make a nice gift when it does have a box with it as well. If you would like the link to shop this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link straight to this bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't take you straight to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you've been looking out for one of these in particular, or if you're like me, you've just seen it and you've fallen in love with it, but by the time you get to our website it's gone, you can let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We do actually have another one of these available in a different colour at the minute as well, which will either be on when you see this video or in the next couple of days afterwards, so make sure you have a look out for that one too. So I'll show you the size on me for reference. I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and this strap, even the strap is a perfect length for me, so I think it's about a 50 centimetre drop, which is a nice strap length for me. So you can have it on your shoulder, you can have it crossbody like that, and it's a nice size. I like a small bag, but it's actually not too small that it's not really usable. I think it's kind of the perfect size to transition you from day to evening. You can get your essentials in there, I can get my phone in there, as well as a couple extra bits as well, and then for the evening it's not too big and bulky, still nice and petite. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this gorgeous bag on our website, have a look at all of our other beautiful bags while you're on there as well, and don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter to get your welcome discount code, and have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags, and we'll see you very soon with some more Armcandy.